ora worire akaita kamiaka 8 ni ichumirite na kwithira baitariria ati bakumenya mwenda imoyo na narari abakioria koti utiri bakwithira bakiamura thirikari na borithi kumurekeria.
We had this case of Mwenda Mbichiwe. He disappeared 4 years ago today, and some days, I think 4 years, 4 days today. So we had made an application for habeas corpus for the police to produce him, because we have some evidence, anecdotal evidence that the police are holding him somewhere where we don't know. So unfortunately the judge was not sitting today, Honorable Kimondo. He was engaged in other official duties. So we've been asked to come tomorrow at 9. So our purpose today, since the mama lives in Meru, we didn't want to keep her here again until tomorrow. We said it is important that she can also express her frustrations, so that we want court orders that have meaning, because a court order is not just a paper. A court order is a command, and a court orders must be respected.
It hurts kwa mama kukaa miaka 4 na miezi 3 bila kuona kijana yake. He was my firstborn. He was everything to my family. All I know is that my son is very much alive and with the government. He was taken by the former DCI, Mr. John Kinoti, arrested, taken to National Intelligence, investigated, and he was found he was not guilty of all the allegations that were formed against him. Na ndio sasa, kwa sababu najua Mungu ako mbinguni and there is God in heaven, justice is there to prevail for Mwenda, because we need our courts to be independent. We don't want politicians to involve themselves into this, because we know Mwenda did not went just missing. There were 3 people, prominent people from Meru, who are behind his abduction. So today I feel very sad. Na nilikuwa naomba tu mjaji leo akiniona kotini atoe a order that will be respected by the government of Kenya for my son to be released. Nimesema he is very much alive. Hajakufa na ninajua mahali hako. Ni vile sitaki kusema. Niliambiwa na the next in command in this nation, na nikaambiwa mahali hako. Sitaki kusema ni wapi, wanajua, nataka wamto.
Kongi na kuni ati atongeria bakuma kaunti yembwe baichumirete na kwithira bakimeneria tumakia one-term kirage kwerekerwa aki rais wa Ndiro ya Kenya Ndagitari William Ruto na gavana wa kaunti yembwe Cecily Mbarire bakiwa atongeria baiba kwithira bakiruta ngwe yonkuloki boretie akari na anto bonde otiri bakwithira bakia atongeria kanya kwithira gakirutira baraba baringire kura miaka yo 5 yarekia kwithira ikithira ibo bakethira bakiwethira babaringira kura ringi.
Atongoria ngurani akuma kaunti ya Embu ni matesaniritie miario ati muthamaki wa bururi niwe William Ruto na gavana wa kaunti ya Embu niwe Cecily Mbarire ati timakorwa magicagurwa rita ria kairi kithurano tuthiete. Matongoretwe ni gavana Mbarire marauga ino ni miario tu ya atongoria aria mari mwena wa uregani. Mbarire akiugaga aria mari mwena wa thirikari ni mathiete na mbere kugwata mirandi ngurani ya uthii wa na mbere kuma kuri thirikari nene. Na ugo akauria ekaria kaunti ya Embu kuthi na mbere kugwatirira thirikari niguo wanao makorwe akugunika.
Gitoka mwere tu thirikari ne indo ciume gwekatia ni mweteka ni joko koguo ni mwetekera ndo cia thirikari murawa ni tutamu atigai mwana iwa murawa tutamu tigai ni mwerei ruru emorora inwa tugioka kwirwa tuinithie na ni rwimbo rwa andu mecurithie mirigo kwao tene mukatae kata siasa mbaya maisha tuvegei tuvenge na rakaretu atia kaugi tuvote gutetheka.
Mwenari wake munini wa gavana niwe Kenyua wa Mugo akiuga gake na gavana Mbarire ni magokorwa makithi na mbere kurutira ekaria kaunti ya Embu wera niguo igikinya kavinda ga kambeni magakorwa na wa gwitetera naguo kuri aikia kura niguo mamathure ringi.
Nitutwera Kivinyo ndiko tugicoka 2027 ikimwai tutiga uko tuko tumoka mute tutaguconoka niko tuyomba na ciugo cietu tuyomba na manifesto yetu waka undu twagwetire aitha ni barabara aitha ni cooperative turauga aitha ni mbeca cieria maundu mothe tugauka bari ndui.
Nake MCA wa Rugurunga Ndoli niwe Muturi Mwombo akiuragia Gavana Mbarire akorwe akiruta gitiri aruti wira a kaunti aria matararuta wira wao Kivinyo na undu uria ungituma Gavana Mbarire onekane take utararuta wira.
Wira maguru katiguo tutoraga guku ndinoraga tanwero ria igisha ningereri andu twina mbegu ningeramerire twina ndui katutamani Gavana ruku momuthi Mudomi Moeda mbele ya ndoi. Governor, you are the CEO of this county. Mundu yota kuruta wira wake jani ja. Sinamna hiyo.
Marĩtie mĩario ĩno marĩ mwena wa Kĩriarĩ gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Manyata kũrĩa kũrĩ na mũcemanio wa arĩmi a iria a kĩganda kĩa Mbũrũgũ. Ngĩribotera Werũ TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbĩtagwo Rita Mwaniki wa Mũciri.
Kongi na kuni ate ya biashara bakuma taunine ya Lare batariritie kuwirwa konenya wirigiro boba biashara cio kwithira ikiambiriria kuthirema na wita mwanka mathaya utuko kumanena itawa birabireketie kwithira bigekirwa ntereo bakiaria hibatariritie ate inyokaria bena wirigiro bokaithira bwicokera ntereo ya buratutariru ni Klaus Chabari
Giriao nondite ngwe ginyama 24 hours
kumania na kurugurua kwa gwekirwa kwa mata kiri taoni mwanya mwanya irio taoni ya Ntobeto Kiongo taoni ya Lare taoni ya Kaelo wamwe na Mutwati ende taino chanjiritie gwekirwa na kariba taoni ya Lare baina nkatho omono nonto bagwekirwa agwerubo bakuga bakathina na kuruta angoge kinya utugo
otenya biashara sio tuko ikomba kuendelea nyamwanka oria mtu akaigwa kungania ikurita biashara Hela mwakio mpempe tayari kwenda nyamwanka thasta kana inya biashara iringe cionthe ande wankira iroto kuona imandero ya mwega
ata ya tetheria muno kinya wana biashara nyaba kenda utangu tuko kwenda makala yona kwenda into binge ino ntethi na no ndite nyangu tuko kitayo kire au kiwatethi muno kire au ino mbogele matha kitayo kire au
bonia mbeta na riko yakwa mbeta kwa kirie mpempe ya nkuipo asa ntoba nguya kuita ba tukwenda ntwaba yete na kikinando na ntoba ntuma twenda mutoro kurita ngui muto kwani wanisi kwengwa kurita kenda tumongele ndu ngui tutamu ninku aendelea kuria thirikari ne
indu ankala siako na nkuwedo sana no ntoba mataya yekirwa no twende inyo tukora tuinga mathathe ile totainga ringi wendu amwesimiwa tinja into itumu tutamu
aita unieto ikethwetha itharite na to transform Patu tuwete ke 24 hour economy kinya barabenda cia mire toruari barithwa na araba koera ngari cio kurithwa kutharite na bagomba kuthwa baitu maira mwankiu
nkorokiba kuweta kinya manto makonenie na gwagagia bokaria makathi na mbe na kunyianyia abonene kumania na weru bobo
kuibwega burate itumba kumbikio twetheria witwikira weru ithu kuibwega me aria kutekeri mata kurari muundu tupu turakulukira u rimo na rimwe airothi watwikamba watwikiba kumbikio tuteka
bare anya totomba igori ai muundu lakini thayo tokana thaiko na tofauti na wamba bo winge sana no to wa airothi tokana nyairothi negeri mata tukuibwa sana no to mata yao
mfanyakazi wa biashara ya hoteli hapa Lale kwa sababu ya hii taa tutaweza kufanya kazi mpaka hata asubuhi hata ukienda nyumbani usiku hakuna kuogopa
Kumalare Gebe North Petanclas Chabari
Minista wa Kariabonde na wathani bwa matura Kipchumba Murkomen ethethetie mbere mubango ya jukwaa la usalama na Rantkwere akinyete ntere tia Nyamira na raki arionekete kwariria makarika ya kuro kwithira bakiora wayara yonekete kwithira ya itabarikia.
Question of femicide is a serious issue. As I said, the President established a task force to work on that issue. The task force completed its work. There is ongoing crackdown and implementation on the issues of gender-based violence. And as I said, it is a conversation we must have as to why in some communities more prevalent to others. What are these cultural practices that are perpetuating these kinds of crimes? What can we do to make sure that we get rid of these heinous acts, especially gender-based violence, which is targeted on women, including FGM, including defilement of kids. Of course, men also are victims of violence. It also goes unreported because of cultural practices that if a man was to come out to say, my wife beat me, they would be ostracized. And we want to deal with these stereotypes that are so ingrained in society that victims are not strong enough to come out. Some of the cases are as a result of mental health issues, use of drugs and alcohol. So as we do crack down on the part of alcohol and drugs, we also resolve the question of mental health that is also driving some people, spouses to kill each other, and in some cases even young people who are dating just by virtue that you have a girlfriend. We have 3 cases that are related to young boys killing their girlfriends. And this is not acceptable. And so mental health issues also is something that we need to address holistically as a society.
Katho cia mwanya muno no ntuba kwithira witite ambere na kurumira ndeto cietu cia weru thaa mwanja hugeta kuraitu chokirete na ndeto nkuluki.
Keke kabeja na kamutu wake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice siri ni mutujo nice extra premium
mutindi nyagia na kamusere
inyaju twenaju jwambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea
moguri wa kinyandu kene etia motujwa nice extra premium nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamojo muthongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ni imboro na imure mutheri motutujonge ni nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watwekawe na kioria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ti nice na nice extra premium.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wase, iko on. Kila game ina mata. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Anno kumenya no utonge gukurukira Times UDT Sacco geria na arua gura shares kenda kuigwatira kanya gaka kugura share imwe ni chiringi 100 aki na urendeka kugura kuma shares 10 gwitia muchindi wa kiewa gikinene akamukira ngari muthemba jo Probox nkuruki kuri na biewa bia okiumia biliani amwe na gift hampers airtime bikibiki ngombe chego kama fridge, solar panels, TV cha inchi 43 na kinya laptops. Omoka na Times UDT Sacco. Gurashias na arua, wichindira biewa bibi. Nuntubo anteto nkuruki, turiongere obisine chietu nkubu, kanoto andikire email, kire info@timesusacco.co.ke, kana uringe dhimo kire 0703 770 457. Nkuruki, no uriungire ndwanyi chietu ntere cha nkubu, mitungu, kariene, githongo, makutano, timau, mukodhima, na kinyaka dhwana. Omoka na Times UDT Sacco. Times UDT Sacco, your timely financial.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twist of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Rwimbo rwatithanagia ndũrĩnjo mwanya mwanya tũkũmakania mĩkĩre kana mĩkarĩre na rũtũma ngorega karabwega nogetene na rhythm mantuja kaibanga na tuwerwa FM na Wero TV turendo gukundia rwimbo rũrũ
karamu imo taikondo karamu ni hatari iko usalama wa maisha yangu
nitogwekera mukana mboro matankoroki kaugere mbuna umbere Jumamosi shiondere kaijire shio tuko wankadha shio tuko watrena na MC Taj ubako na John Tukanga agokundi rwembo na live band one man guitar kudhondekera weekend yeku ajarara tuga watukanga
ngako atogeni orengi na nkatho cia mwanya muno no ntuba kwithira witite mbere na kuromira ndeto cietu cia Weru thaa mwanja tuchokere na riboti ya mwanya na ramwandiki wetu wa ndeto John Thigato banganiritie riboti yegie kithomo maga John akimureka skuru irachiethirite cia Antone achekie ilasi bikithirwa bithokangi bina makutho na nyabingi kwithirwa bite kwana ke skuru imwe kaunti ya Meru na nya kaunti Muturi ya Tharaka Nithi.
Kumaniana gicunche kia mbere muthenya gwegoro keruono ruro mwanya kithomo maganjone na turonire irasi kathumba bia ECD bikarita minanda na gakinya aciari bakiraramika no ntuba gutuika arimo ba ECD bationekaga
arimu mwangathai yati baritana on voluntary work aciari bari mwigore anya mbeca ira bari na twana tuinge twimechie no ntuba aciari kore mwigore ya mbeca
itochwanite na minister urorungamirite mandu makithomo ke ECD county ya Meru Dr. Esther Rukunga na aratutaririe mantu mwanya mwanya megeni na burabo bangite barita thirikari gukiria mathomo ma ECD.
The employment of ECD teachers arimu betu ba ECD will take a lot of time but are employed. Kwa hivyo His Excellency the Governor ena program ena plan ya kuandika our ECD teachers kinya kedira atumba kuandika very large number. For now we shall start to cambridge na a number era tokedira to capture in our budget to ina irasi via ECD BP3 tengo already and they are ready to be commissioned by His Excellency the Governor. Chonde, we have 39 complete projects. Imwe, mwanka 39. So, funding program we get there in all public ECD schools.
Kire thina ni ya irasi bia primary bila bitari rungura county.
Toromba. Antubara badoma chukuru cheto especially primary chetigania west. Chiriali mbaya. Edani chukuru bo beseti bona bora ukari bona bara bateithia bara alumni
itwendete kumenya thina imbi nontu gutuika icukuru cia primary gichina thina ino ti secondary muno na tuchwanite na manager wa CDF Tigane West no Ezron Mageria urakiaria bantunia mubunge wa Ntere cia Tigane West ataririte muno thina ino yumanagia na mbeca inkai ira irekagirua thirikari nene cia kurungamira mathomo kirejira chiyekene muno ta capitation
no weta na moka ithira pengine secondary schools especially day ikwambiriria ni kwithira igiakwa na kona pengine support kana infrastructure support ira mbike kwithira kenda ya kulugenya primary schools chithete chirio ita muno mbe chire chuma ke thirikari ira cha capitation. Of course utomba compare ichitha chiki secondary schools na primary schools mbe chitha chiki kidogo mno rimwe ichire mainya kubwithia commit mahitaji kidogo omba wetoka primary school ina chioro vitena mirango manto pengine biko kimarenchi na manto yange au no kada primary school no struggle ku maintain manto yara
Ezron Nkurukia riuga barita atongere bakuma Ntere ino cia Tigane West ibombire kuona thina ino ni gutabarikia bunene kiri cukuru imwe cia primary na watuike chikomboka na buru na arabo bambirie mutaratara ukumenyekana ta academization urakuga no antu bara bathomagira guntu primary mwanya gucokia guoko na waka ira ithukangite na inya.
In terms of academization cukuru nyingi chietete kero lakini itakinya hara tukwenda chitherire na ingucokeria nyankatho muno Skuru imwe ira chiena very strong alumni association. Okulugera effort ya Mheshimiwa Mutunga okulugera machama ni rara yoka njalo 2018 na requested alumni. Barabadho okaitha for example athoma skuru fulani na no etre ngaira otethia mantu yaku ya bwanjira mwanya ukomba utumira networks ira wina cio nikenda antu ba come together as alumni bakombinya kwithira bakigive back to the schools.
Nara kiri gichunche kia bithatu na kia muthia kere wono ruru tukenda kumenya mutaratara uyu wa academization wambiritie Ntere ino cia Tigane West utethatethetie ta na antu bara bangi weguo na bachukobie bagaukire cukuru ciao cia primary. John Thega, Wero TV.
Ama tusemie shairi.
Hatusemee shairi.
Katho cia mwanya muno no tubokona kanya gakwatana bandu kindeto chietu ntukuyerwa ringa kwendera kaita kia honbetwa winio kinyero.